Food waste is a very big challenge that we all have to tackle together.
There's a lot of waste material being generated that just goes to waste, that doesn't find any high-value applications.
Everything is produced in a very linear way. You make it, you use it, you throw it away.
We're fighting for the future of food by eliminating waste and valorizing side streams. By side streams, we mean every product that is leaving the factory but is not the main product. Some of the most common side streams we work with are actually from the milling industry or food processing industry.
These industries usually used to be very separated, are now or have to work now together.
Our platform, Circado, that we're developing.
It's a digital platform that allows companies that produce to trade their side streams.
We have worked with Swiss Mill on valorizing their side stream brand that is being reused as a substrate for mushrooms, Biopilz mushroom here in Switzerland. We want everyone to perceive waste as valuable materials, thus finding new applications in different industries.
We want to move together with our customers to a circular approach.
The circular economy offers the perfect answer. It is a model that can be implemented to the daily business on a profitable basis, but offers a sustainable solution to every producing company.